Hello, this is Opinion Radar, your go-to for honest, real-life mom reviews that keep it practical, positive, and totally relatable. Today, I'm sharing one of my favorite warm weather finds, the Eomenie One Piece Swimdress Swimsuit. As a busy mom, I don't have time for swimsuits that look great, but fall apart the first time I chase my toddler into the waves. I need something that's not only stylish, but holds up to sand, sunscreen, and endless splashing. When I first saw the Eomenie swimdress, I was drawn in by the pretty prints and that cute skirt design. It looked like the kind of suit you could just throw on and feel good in. No adjustments needed. And at $33, it felt like a low-risk try. But what started as a casual purchase quickly turned into a warm weather staple. Over the past few months, I've put it through the mom test, pool days, beach trips, sudden rain showers, and even a surprise dip in the lazy river. Let me tell you, it's held up better than I expected, and not just physically. As a mom who spends most of my time at the splash pad, pool, or beach with my kids, I'm always on the hunt for a swimsuit that's not only cute, but actually works for my life. That's why I was so excited when I found the Eomenie One Piece Swimdress. From the moment I put it on, I felt confident, and that's not something I can say about every swimsuit I've owned. The design is so flattering, with just the right amount of stretch to hug my curves without squeezing too tight. I love the adjustable straps. They're perfect for my long torso and stay put whether I'm chasing toddlers or floating on a noodle. The neckline is modest but stylish, and I appreciate that the back doesn't go too low. So I don't have to worry about exposure when I'm bending down to grab a lost toy or helping my little one splash around. It really feels like the perfect balance of function and fashion. One of the biggest wins for me, the built-in skirt. Oh my goodness, it's a game changer. I've always been a little self-conscious about my thighs, and this suit gently covers just enough while still looking stylish, not matronly or frumpy at all. The skirt drapes beautifully and moves with me, whether I'm walking across hot pavement or sitting on a towel building sandcastles. And here's a clever little detail I didn't expect. The ties are hidden underneath. So if you want to keep it loose and flowy, you can, and nobody will even know there's an option to cinch it. I usually leave it untied, and it still looks put together. Plus, the vibrant print I chose hasn't faded a bit, even after multiple swims and a quick wash. I've worn it to the community pool, the lake, and even during a family vacation with lots of hot tub dips. It held up beautifully. Comfort is everything when you're a mom who's constantly on the move, and this suit really delivers. The fabric isn't too thin, so I don't feel like I'm risking a wardrobe malfunction, but it's also not thick or heavy like some tummy control suits can be. It feels soft against my skin and moves with me, whether I'm doing water aerobics or playing tag in waist-deep water. I will say, though, if you're someone with a smaller bust or you're between sizes, you might want to think carefully about the cup size. The top has some shaping, and in my case, I noticed a little extra room up top. I usually go for a medium bottom and small top. It's not a deal breaker, but if you're not proportionate top to bottom, it's something to keep in mind. Still, the support is decent, and with the adjustable straps, I was able to get a secure fit that didn't dig or slip. What I love most is how this swimsuit makes me feel. Like I can focus on my kids without constantly adjusting or worrying about coverage. So many swim dresses either ride up, feel constricting, or look more like a tent than a swimsuit, but this one actually flatters my shape. I've worn it to birthday parties at the water park, and more than one mom asked me where I got it. I even threw it in the washer after our beach trip. Yes, I'm that kind of mom, and it came out looking just as good. No fading, no stretching out. The only thing I'd mention is that while it's marketed as having tummy control, I didn't find it to be super compressive. It smooths a little, sure, but if you're looking for serious tummy control, you might want to temper your expectations. That said, I'd rather have comfort over extreme control any day, especially when I'm spending hours in the sun with my crew. All in all, This Eomenie Swimdress has become one of my favorite warm weather staples. It's affordable at $33, which means I didn't feel guilty buying a second one in another color. I went for the blue. It's stunning. It's versatile enough to wear for active days or just lounging by the water, and it gives me that little confidence boost that every busy mom deserves. Whether you're looking for something modest, comfortable, or just plain cute, this suit hits a lot of the right notes. I've worn it with a cover up for dinner by the lake, and it honestly looks more like a stylish dress than a swimsuit. If you're a mom who wants to feel put together while keeping things practical, I'd definitely recommend giving this one a try. Just maybe size down if you're between sizes or have a smaller bust. If you're ready to make a splash this summer without the swimsuit stress, the Eomenie Swimdress might just be your poolside BFF. Don't let practicality steal your confidence. You've got this, mama. Hit like if you're all about stylish, mom approved swimwear, and subscribe for more real talk reviews from the front lines of motherhood.